The green revolution is here. Energy market demands continuous power at scale. In EGS, the subsurface holds the risk and complexity. Above ground, absolute certainty is essential. Ormega100 by Ormat. The undisputed EGS flagship. Standard modular design and rapid deployment, slashing construction and operational costs. Over 90% turbine efficiency. A revolutionary 100 megawatt unit with one generator. Geothermal power at scale. Decades of design experience in a fully optimized unit. Maximum power, minimum equipment. Built for fully unmanned operation. Breakthrough technology that redefines generation continuity. Major maintenance is required just once a decade. The proven, stable anchor above ground, delivering enduring economic value. Ormega100 by Ormat. The future of geothermal power.